Hello everyone, hi, I'm Mantra Drishti, student of International Mantra. Today I am at Just Fit Gym to ask few questions from ma'am. Hello ma'am.
Hello, good morning.
Good morning. What is your good name?
Neha.
Okay, so how long have you been joining here? How
It's
long?
been like 2 years.
Okay, that's great. And what inspired you to come to gym?
Nothing as such, just to gain confidence,
Okay.
to gain strength, to boost the confidence, and to remain physical and most importantly, mentally fit.
That's great. And which exercise is your favorite and why?
I just come here to do aerobics. I love aerobics and I do simply aerobics. That's it. Nothing much.
Okay. And would you prefer? Would you tell others about this gym to join the gym?
Yeah, everyone must join this gym specially because एक तो यहाँ पे aerobics is too good and moreover machines are so much there. You can do every exercise and you can remain fit.
What advice would you give to the person who want to join, who is a beginner?
Everybody should join the gym, whether he is thick or thin. Everybody should. It's just a natural stress relief. You should join. Everybody join the gym. That's just I want to say about
That's a
it.
great answer. And do you prefer solo workout or with your friends?
No, not solo. And this is the I have. This is the only inspiration actually after joining the gym, not before. After joining, she is the only inspiration. मतलब I like just we will just wait कि हम next कब gym जाएंगे just because of friends.
Oh, that's a lovely answer. And would you tell everyone about this gym and like to join this only?
This is
More
everybody's
prefer.
everybody's will, but I to love this gym. I like this gym because I have been there since 2 years or without any off. मतलब I think I'm very regular.
That's great.
Yeah, I never skip the gym until and unless there is
Any emergency?
yeah. So
Okay.
everybody join. मतलब कोई पतला है चाहे कोई मोटा है उसको जिम ज्वाइन करनी चाहिए. दिस नेचुरल स्ट्रेस रिलीवर. यू शुड फील रिलैक्स एंड आई थिंक दिस इज द ओनली प्लेस where you love yourself,
Right.
where you do workout just for yourself, not to impress anyone else. You do everything just for yourself only.
What a lovely answer, ma'am. I want to ask you that is exercise enough, or we should take some like diet too with that?
Both are important, both are equally important. Diet should be healthy. Everyone should not have junk food, have proper diet, and must do exercise daily without any break.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you for your time.
Thank you so much.
You.
Thank you.
Be mantried, be alive. Be mantried, be alive. Thank you.